To send Bitcoin from Sparrow Wallet, start by opening the application on your computer. Once the wallet is launched, you will see the main dashboard where you can view your Bitcoin balance and transaction history. First, ensure you have a sufficient Bitcoin balance in your wallet to cover the amount you want to send, plus any applicable transaction fees. Next, click on the Send tab, which is usually located at the top of the wallet interface. In this section, you will need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. This address can be obtained from the person or entity you are sending Bitcoin to, and it usually consists of a long string of letters and numbers. After entering the recipient's address, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount in Bitcoin or your local currency, depending on the wallet's configuration. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong address, as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Before confirming the transaction, review the transaction details, including the recipient's address, the amount of Bitcoin being sent, and the transaction fee. The transaction fee is paid to the Bitcoin miners for verifying and processing your transaction on the blockchain. Once you have verified all the transaction details, click the Send button to broadcast the transaction to the Bitcoin network. Your wallet will then prompt you to enter your password or provide authentication to confirm the transaction. After the transaction is confirmed, you will see it appear in your transaction history, and the recipient will be able to verify the transaction on the blockchain. It is essential to keep your wallet and computer secure to protect your Bitcoin from theft or loss. Regularly update your wallet software and use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. By following these steps, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin from your Sparrow wallet to any Bitcoin address.